Have you ever been out in public and noticed someone wearing something that just didn't look quite right? We've all been there, and it can be embarrassing. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you 10 fashion mistakes to avoid so you can look your best. 1. Wearing the wrong size. Wearing clothes that are too big or too small can make you look sloppy and unkempt. Make sure you know your measurements and buy clothes that fit you properly. 2. Wearing too many trends. It's great to stay on top of the latest trends, but don't go overboard. Too many trends can make you look like you're trying too hard. 3. Wearing the wrong shoes. Shoes can make or break an outfit. Make sure you choose shoes that are appropriate for the occasion and that match the rest of your outfit. 4. Wearing clothes that don't fit your body type. Not all clothes look good on everyone. Make sure you choose clothes that flatter your body type and accentuate your best features. 5. Wearing clothes that are out of style. It's important to stay up to date on the latest trends, but don't wear clothes that are too far out of style. 6. Wearing too much makeup. Makeup can be a great way to enhance your features, but don't go overboard. Too much makeup can make you look unnatural and overdone. 7. Wearing clothes that are too revealing. Showing too much skin can be a fashion faux pas. Make sure you choose clothes that are appropriate for the occasion and that make you feel comfortable. 8. Wearing clothes that don't match. Make sure your clothes match each other. Wearing clothes that don't match can make you look disheveled and uncoordinated. 9. Wearing clothes that are too tight. Wearing clothes that are too tight can be uncomfortable and unflattering. Make sure you choose clothes that fit you properly and are comfortable to wear. 10. Wearing clothes that are too loose. Wearing clothes that are too loose can make you look sloppy and unkempt. Make sure you choose clothes that fit you properly and are comfortable to wear. Now that you know the 10 fashion mistakes to avoid. Thank you for watching our video today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the 2 new videos we upload every day for free. By subscribing, you'll get informative and entertaining content every day. See you in our next video.